guys, what's up? It's Claire here. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Today's video is like super duper random. I was literally walking out the door and I was like, you know what? I saw my camera and I was like, okay, we'll go along with the first day of school. Oh, my last first day of school. Last first day of school ever. Unless I decide to go to grad school in a few years or law school. This is my last first day of undergrad, so real last first day of like school. So I decided to bring y'all along with me. It's like 7:30 in the morning right now. So I've actually been awake since 5 this morning. I go to Church of the Highlands and they are in the middle, well not in the middle, they're in the beginning of 21 days of prayer. Today is day 4, so every day at 6 a.m. You go to church and you have like a mini worship sermon and then you pray for about 25 minutes. And so that's how I started my day today. So I'm feeling so good right now. I'm like on a high for Jesus right now. So I had coffee this morning and I'm on a health kick. So I made this like instant oatmeal and it has chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds, and I'm about to eat this as fast as I can before I have to go to work. It's not, I need like some kind of like honey or something to be in it. And then I made my lunch. Again, I'm on a health kick. So I made like a turkey wrap on like a whole wheat wrap, and it's turkey, spinach. I put a little bit of olive oil on it and pepper and a tomato, and then I have 2 little cutie oranges in there. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that at work. But again, I'm about to eat this like as fast as I can and then go to work. I'm gonna work from 8 to about 12:30, and then I have class from 1 to 5 today. This semester is so different from like what I'm used to. I'm used to morning classes and then working in the afternoon, but again, I'm gonna be hustling this semester. I don't have class on Fridays, so yeah, and then tonight we're gonna go work out. So yeah, I'm on a health kick. I'm about to get fit this 2019 year. So yeah, let's go. Let's eat and then let's go. Also, one last thing before we go to class. Sorry, I have oatmeal in my mouth. Buying an espresso maker was the smartest decision I've ever made in my life. Well, I didn't buy it. I got it for Christmas. Literally, I'm about to be so much richer this year because I'm not spending money on Starbucks. And I put my bar cart from my bedroom down here, and I found these cute little coffee mugs at TJ Maxx. That one's from Target from the dollar aisle. But look how cute that is. You got lipstick. Thought they were super cute. So I'm now on campus. I'm walking to work. It's literally 8 o'clock on the dot right now. But I'll get there when I can. I'm coming, guys. But I'll go ahead and tell y'all what classes I'm taking this semester. So I'm taking technically 6 courses. 5 of them are like the regular 3-hour credit classes, but one of them is just like an hour credit class, and the one that's like 1 hour credit is professional development and finance. I'm sorry, the sun is really bad. So professional development and finance, I only had that on Wednesdays, which is today. And so that class, they kind of just like, I've basically taken this class twice already. One just for business in general, one for political science. And they just kind of like help you with your resume and like LinkedIn, getting jobs and stuff. Maybe this time I'll actually really pay attention because this is the time that it matters because I need a job. And then I'm taking intermediate accounting 1. I've taken 2 accountings before, but they were both through a community college. Like I took them online during the summer, so we will see how this goes. And then I'm taking principles of real estate, which I'm really excited about that one because I've always kind of thought maybe I could end up in real estate because I've always thought like that was really interesting. And then I'm taking financial statement analysis, which I have no clue what that is, so we'll see about that. And then I'm taking multinational financial management, strategic management, and that's all. So those are the 6 courses that I'm taking, and we'll see how it goes. I don't have class on Fridays again, so that's really nice. But I have class on Mondays from 2 to 5, Wednesdays from 1 to 5, and then Tuesdays, Thursdays, 11 to 3:15. So I'll probably end up like working on Monday, Wednesday mornings, and Fridays all day, and then weekends. Which that's why I do like my job, is because I can kind of make my own schedule most of the time. I'm sorry, y'all probably can't see a thing because I can't see you, so I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, I'm going into work. I just realized the camera shadow has been on my face like this whole time, so sorry about that. But this is where I work. Y'all have seen it before. This is like the back side of the arena, so that's like the Auburn rec. I feel like I can do so much more now that I have a camera. So yeah, you get to go through this super cool back entrance. It's really not cool, it actually smells really bad back here. Walking from work to class. Feels really good out here. Okay, so it is 5:05 and I'm done with class. I'm actually in the Palm Beach 10 parking lot right now. My makeup has come like completely off today. I've been up and at it since 5:30 this morning. It's gonna be super weird to like get used to like being in class until this time. During my second class today, what was it? It was intermediate accounting. I literally started like zoning off, like the professor's voice. It was just so like soothing that I was like, so I got me a coffee after that. I feel really guilty for getting the coffee because I haven't had Starbucks in over a week. I've been making my own with my little espresso machine, and I haven't been putting a lot of syrup in it, and I've been using like 1% milk, so I feel a little bad about that, but I'm gonna work out later. First, I'm gonna go tan because I'm really trying to eat healthy. And so I think I'm about to go tan and then go home. And I think I might make me like a little grilled chicken breast on my George Foreman with some like Dale's sauce on it. Dale's, oh my goodness, that's my jam. And some like broccoli in a bag. Also, if you don't know, if you don't have the Pink Nation app, you need to go download it. Let's see. Okay, sorry. Okay, so yeah, this is the Pink Nation app, and then if you go to the campus tab, let's see. Ah, it's me! Haha, it's me. This is the second time I've been on the app, and it's honestly just so cool. Like, I still can't believe that they want me to be on their app. Ah! It's so cool. If you haven't checked out this video, it's the semi-annual sale haul. I'd really appreciate it if y'all did. I can't wait to see like what other opportunities come up with Pink during my last semester as a Pink rep, so that's really sad. Let me go tan before I just sit here and talk in my car all night long. People are probably gonna see me in a second. So yeah, I'm gonna go tan, and then I'm gonna go home and make something healthy to eat, and then go work out with my friends. We're gonna go to, I think, the gym where they live, where I used to live, and do a video. They have like a screen with like insanity and stuff, so I've got to keep grinding. I'm already feeling better, even though it's only like day 4, but I just gotta keep pushing. So I just ate my food. This is what I made. I ate my part already, but I kind of like doubled it. So I cut up 3 chicken breasts and like split up 1 in half, and then I made a bag of broccoli. And I've talked about this on here before. This broccoli is actually super duper good. It's from Kroger. It's the Bird's Eye brand. So yeah, you just heat it up in the microwave for like 5 minutes. And it's the only broccoli that I really like besides like hibachi broccoli. And I cooked the chicken, I put some Dale's on it, and then I grilled it on my little George Foreman grill, and it cooks it so fast. It was super duper good. So yeah, this is gonna be my lunch tomorrow. Now it's like 7. I've been just sitting in here talking to my roommate and eating my food. And I think I'm about to, I've been watching that show You on Netflix, and it is honestly very creepy. But it's like really good at the same time. So yeah, I'm kind of like addicted to it. I'm on episode 4 right now. I'm almost done with it. So I think I'm gonna finish that before I go over to my friend's house, their clubhouse thing where they have their gym, and we're gonna work out. I smell like chicken and broccoli right now. So right now I'm sitting here, it's like 7:10, and I'm waiting to go to the gym, and I'm just kind of like, every day I go through my YouTube analytics and just kind of, you know, see what's going on with all my numbers and stuff. And I have 1,915 subscribers now, so I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed. We're so close to 2,000, and 2,000 subscribers in, what has it been, like 9 months? That's crazy. That's so exciting. So yeah, I'm so happy to see where my little baby has gone. And this year, I haven't really talked about it. I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I'm gonna film it this weekend, and it'll probably be up Sunday. But I really want to like change my channel this year. I want to do more makeup, more vlogs, more just lifestyle, rather than just like uploading a bunch of videos, which I'm still gonna upload a bunch. I want to get like deeper and do a better job at editing and filming, and I want to get like more like new makeup and stuff. So I really want to invest my time and my money and me into my channel this year. So yeah, I'm just like checking out my analytics right now, if you can see. But yeah, actually that was my homepage. But I thank y'all so much if you are subscribed, and if you're not, I would super appreciate it. What's today's date? The 9th. I have a Pink giveaway coming soon. I'm not sure exactly when, sometime within the next couple of weeks. I'm thinking about making it like Valentine's themed. So yeah, y'all, I really am going to step up the YouTube game, from like thumbnails to everything. I want it to be better, and I want to edit my cover header thing. I want to make that really spiffy and on brand. So yeah, I have 130 videos. Not bad, not bad.
Let's start our wheel in motion. Okay, right position. Find a little load.
Woo, so I just got back. I am a little sweaty. I actually have been sitting in here for a minute. I called my mom, talked to my dog on FaceTime. So now I think I'm about to go get a shower, and then I kind of want to do a face mask and then watch one more episode of that You show. It's so creepy, but it's like, I gotta find out what happens because it's getting a little crazy. So yeah, I'm about to go. Let's go shower and do a face mask. I'm like breaking out on here because I wore foundation and I've been sweating, and so yeah. So I'm in my bathroom right now in the most random clothing. I look very rough, but I'm about to do a face mask. And sorry, this is like the only decent angle I could get. But for my face mask, I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This is from Sephora. I got this from Influencer, but I think it originally like is from Sephora. I think it's so good. I only use it now like once every week or two because I've been using a lot of it. And so it just kind of like makes all your pores tingle, and you can literally feel them like shrinking. I'm not joking. Like I would only ever buy like drugstore or pink face masks because they're a lot cheaper. I think this one's a little bit more expensive. So if I didn't get sent this, I would have never known to buy it. But now that I know how good it is, like when I run out, I may buy it again. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill with this face mask on. I normally only put it on like the problem areas, like the T-zone, just because that's really all I need to do. About to go get some water. And then I'm gonna watch my show for about an hour. I'm gonna watch one more episode, and then I need to hit the hay because I have prayer in the morning at 6 a.m. again, and I'm really excited about it. It's actually very therapeutic. Like, it's so good. So every night before I go to bed, I have to light this candle, the Fresh Balsam candle. Balsam? Have I been saying that wrong this whole time? Balsam? I thought it was Balsam. Oh my goodness, whatever. Anyway, I have to light this candle every night before I go to bed, and it just makes my room smell so nice. I also have the wallflower plug in the wall, and then of course I have my baby lotion, my Empire State Building, my water, and then my Vaseline. Y'all know, I think I said it already, I emailed Vaseline and asked them if they would sponsor me. They said no, so I'm pretty upset, but one day Vaseline, you'll come around, I promise. But I have clean sheets. Oh, they feel so good. Well, I washed them like 2 days ago. They feel so nice. And then I have my robe, my newer Victoria's Secret robe. I'm so ready for Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Friday is probably when this video is going up, but on Friday I'm also going to be filming just like a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm just gonna be talking, and I have some like newer makeup items and stuff that I'm going to be using in the video. I'm just so ready to sit down and film a makeup tutorial. It's been like a month, over a month. No, it's been about a month. It's been like right at a month since I filmed a video, so I'm so ready to sit back there in my little station in the corner, and I have my Valentine's Day stuff up. I'm so excited. Yay, so cute. So I'm like halfway through my show right now. I'm on episode 5. It's just such a creepy show, but it's addictive because I don't know, it's just weird. But so I took that face mask off, and my skin already feels so much like tighter, and like it feels like a lot better. It feels like clean. I've been meaning to do one since I got back from Disney World. I'm also sick. I went to the doctor the other day thinking something was like really wrong with me, but they said I just have pharyngitis, which is just like a sore throat, and a sinus infection. So I just took like a Z-Pack pill and an ibuprofen is what they gave me. So hopefully I'll be feeling better. It's just my throat. I have a weird throat. I don't even know why I'm saying all this. What? I will see y'all in my next video. This video is gonna go up on a Friday, and on that same day I'm gonna be filming like an updated like a get ready with me. I really want to just like do something, a really pretty makeup look. So yeah, that's what I'll be filming. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video, and I can't wait to see y'all. I don't know why I've just mumbled so much throughout this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed my last first day of school ever. I'm kind of glad, kind of sad. Whatever, we'll see how the semester goes. But I love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe. Bye!